What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And if you know, my garden has been getting bigger and bigger, so I needed some kind of irrigation system. But the name is Brokefarmer, so it had to be cheap and it had to work well. So stay tuned. All right, YouTube. I'm looking for a little sprinkler system. Got the 2-pack, $8.90. It probably ain't gonna lay it. Look pretty cool though. Let's see what all they got here. Old school, trusted but old school. Okay, that's nice. More for like grass and need some little more bite to it. Couple old schools on the wheel. Okay. Orbit. Okay. 65 feet. Orbit look like it's me and you, baby. All right, y'all. This is by Orbit. Ooh, I got another one going back there. Cool thing about this one, long range to reach everything in the garden, and it oscillates 360 degrees. Another fun fact, it got different settings on it, and all you got to do is turn the green clip right there, and you go to vert, flat, small, a whole bunch of things. But I gotta keep moving, y'all, because I got one going that way and one going that way. So why I really liked it, you can add another hose to it, and it has this, you can make it go almost all the way around this right here, or you can stop it where you want, how far you want it to go. But the range is supposed to be 65 feet for 18 bucks. I really didn't expect that, but it reaches every container, and it comes around, catches my trees, my herb bed. Well, first off, it goes all the way to far as it's going, but instead of going around, it comes back the other way to that point. But like I was saying, it reached all my containers, peach tree, and my raised beds over there. Yeah. Get my corn good, get the corn good, get the corn. And everything over here. All right, so with this other hose, hold on, y'all, I gotta wait for it to go back around the other way. Which way you going, buddy? Which way you going? Going that way? All right, I'm going this way. With the other hose I got plugged in, trying not to get wet, but I'm probably gonna get wet. I got it going to this one. And this one, I'm just going around in circle. This one hits everything over there. And my fruit trees back there. Now let's talk about price, y'all. All right. Now that Orbit right there is at your local Home Depot, y'all. It is 18 bucks. But look at the job it does. It covers just about everything. I don't know about the warranty. 18 bucks, I'm not really worried about it. 18 bucks, I can buy 1 year if I have to. It's not all stainless steel. It's got a lot of plastic on it. First off, they didn't send me this one free. I had to pay for it, so I'm not gonna hold no punches on it like I would on any product. But it's a great product so far. I love it so far because of the range and the different settings on it, man. That is spectacular to me. And I like the added bonus. If I want to take, where you at? Right there. If I wanted to disconnect that one right there and add just a hose to it, you know, to just, you know, manually water my garden, I can do that. It's just that easy. But it's reaching everything. So that one there I got from Dollar General, y'all. It was on clearance for $8. So all together in my irrigation system, I got less than $30 tied up in it, and it took me 5 minutes to install it. Now, first off, I'm gonna start by saying this ain't the best. Let's start there. This is not the best. This is way far from the best. Probably the best system I've seen so far is Back to Our Roots. How they set up with their containers. But if you cheap or broke, like you got Brokefarmer, this might not be a bad option. Go to your local Home Depot and go to your local Dollar General clearance and get you some irrigation system. It's hot out here, man. I don't know how else to say it. It is hot. And I can't stand out here like I used to and just manually water these plants. Now, I've been looking for a good system. Yeah. It ain't great, but it's good. And it's effective. So, if you interested, go to Lowe's or Home Depot. They probably got them both of them. Get your Orbit. Pretty cool, man. All right, y'all, let's get a live testimonial from the plants, because it's one thing for me to say that it works well, but it's another thing for the plants to tell you. So I'm talking to my sweet potato. Her name is Kroger. Kroger, how do you feel about the new Orbit watering system and the other watering system? First off, Broke, I think it's a wonderful thing. Anytime you can get a lot of water and moisture into your veins or your leaves, however you want to call it, it's a beautiful thing. I don't know where you got it from, but you're a genius, bro. And if you could, can I get some food? Shut up, wait. It ain't, dude, just focus on what I'm talking about. It is awesome. I love your new watering system, and I feel like I'm gonna get healthier and bigger and give you 20-pound sweet potatoes. Hey, appreciate it, man. Hey, you know what? You have a good one. You know, I ain't gonna eat your leaves this year.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well,
and an added bonus of that, it frees up my time so I can tackle this wood mulch pile. I gotta get this done, y'all. I ain't got all day to be in that garden watering. So there you go. There you gotta have it. Live life. Enjoy life.